Welcome back to my channel, guys. I'm here making a video on the two best heaters that I've had experience with. Easiest and most efficient, and always pulled me out of a pinch. So with winter here, snow on the ground, I wanted to make a quick video and give you a little tips and on how each one of them worked and which one's my favorite out of both of these. So we'll start off with the smaller of the two, LB White Tradesman's K75. So the benefit to most of these semi-portable heaters is that most of them take kerosene. This is the type that I use. It says clearly right there it's for heaters. Both of these take that, the ready heater and the smaller heater. So I will go ahead and give you a quick overview on the smaller one. The main reason I love these is because of the easiness that anybody can use these. So you're going to spot a couple of differences between the two. This one has a thermometer. You can lower or raise the temperature. That's some of the detailed information on it if you're interested. Operating instructions and some important maintenance. Additionally, we have the on and off switch. I love these because all you do is plug them in to any extension cord. And they will fire right up. There's a few more features on here I would like to mention. This one has the PSI, location for the kerosene, estimated runtime, and then finally some more important information regarding the best fuel to use. You can use a few different types here. Let me clean that off and make sure that you're able to see that well. Okay. So there are a few different options that you can use. I personally use kerosene. Works out really well for me. Okay. On the front here, you have where the heat will expel. Let's see, what else does this have? A couple of warnings. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to turn it on. Super easy. Anybody can do this. Plug in, connected. There, we're connected. Set your thermostat, and now just turn it on. And that is it on this little heater. The first thing you hear is the fan kicking on. That fan helps it to push that heat where you need it to go. And finally, for my favorite heater, old reliable, never let me down. Give you a little overview on this one as well. location of the kerosene. You've seen the model. Let's see, that's just some warnings that we don't need to worry about. There's a serial number on it. Some maintenance information. Filter, I will say, is important. I switch it out at least once every 6 months. I get them on eBay or Amazon. Some more detailed information on the operating instructions. So if you're having issues, maybe you can figure it out by the operating instructions that I provided there. So this one's even easier than that one because this one doesn't have any buttons. It has no other dials or buttons or anything other than your reset. This one, same method. Just plug it in. And that's how you turn it off. Very easy. Anybody can run one of these, but I know they may be a little bit intimidating when you don't know anything about them. I wanted to review my 2 favorite heaters and give you guys a little overview and my opinion on the best heaters out there for this cold winter we're having. Thank you very much. If you have any other heaters that you recommend, leave me a comment. I will look into them and possibly make a review on them as well. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. Thanks a lot.